Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, everyone. So that is class 4. Now we are learning English subject, class 4. So that is English subject we are learning, children. So now we have completed the 9 lessons in 4th class. Now we are moving to the lesson number 10, that is little by little. So here the lesson is little by little. It is a little means what? Everyone know that is small. Little ante endi chinnaga, chala chinnadi. So little by little, here he given a poem about a plant. So here in the picture you can look at, children's. So here in the picture you can see, here he given a small baby plant. So a small baby plant, that is a little by little. How it went? What is a story? We will go to the poem now. It is a poem given about a plants. So now we will once go to the poem, that is lesson number 10. Little ante chinnadi ani cheppanu. Okay. Little by little and a crow said. Little by little and a crow said. A crow said. Crow, you know. Crown. What is crown? C-O-R-N, crown. What is mean by crown? You know everyone. So a crown, a little baby plant. What she told? What she said? Little by little a crown said, as it slowly sank into mossy bed, I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. So what is a little plant here? She is telling, she was when in the deep earth away. హైడెన్ డీప్ అంటే లోపల ఎప్పుడైతే మనము ఒక విత్తనం పెడతామో, అది ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? మనం భూమి లోపల పెడతాము. సో ఆ భూమి లోపల నేను ఉన్నాను. ఐ యామ్ అండర్ ద earth when I am there. Hidden అంటే దాచుకోవడం. It is improving every day. Improving అంటే it is growing like us. When we be a small, we will grow like that only, a baby grown. What she is telling, when was I am under the earth, little bit I am improving and I am growing, she is telling. Little by little each day it grieves. Little by little it sipped the dew. Downwards it sent out the thread like a root, up in the air sprung like a tiny shoot sprung. So here what he is telling, little by little, each day, little by little, it is grew, ante idi perugutundi. Next, it's seeped ante entidi, it is doing the dew. Next, downward it is sending out thread like a root, it is coming like a root. Up in the air, it is up in the air, it is a shiny shoot, it is a tiny shoot, is chinna plant, it has grown. Day after day, year after year, little by little the leaves appear. So it is going days, passing days. రోజుకి ఇయర్ కి తను ఏమవుతుంది, ఒక ఇయర్కి లిటిల్ బై లిటిల్ ఈచ్ డే. నెక్స్ట్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఎ ఇయర్, ఆఫ్టర్ ఫ్యూ డేస్ అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఎ ఇయర్ ఇట్ లీవ్స్ అపియర్స్, అంటే ఆకులు పెరిగినాయి. Next, and less tender branches spread far away wide, till the mighty oaks is a forest pride. So here it has been a big plant and the root has spread అనే రూట్స్ అనేవి భూమిలోకి స్ప్రెడ్ అయిపోయాయి. తర్వాత ఏమైనా చాలా వైడ్గా అయ్యాయి అనమాట. ఏంటివి? భూమిలో తన యొక్క రూట్స్. నెక్స్ట్ బ్రాంచెస్ కూడా ఇట్ హాస్ బికమ్ వెరీ స్టాండర్డ్ and it has been grown leaves everywhere. It is now forest pride. It is like a forest pride. Like an oak tree. Far down in the depth, a dark blue sea. It is on a far down ante lopalki, bhumi lopala depth ga vellipoyindi dani yoka roots. Next, it is a dark blue sea like. An insect train work caselessly. It is an insect trains. It will work like a insect train, like it is moving to the ground and it is caselessly. Grain by grain, then are building wells. So it is a grain by grain, they are giving the grains, they are putting the grains and is growing well, each one along in the little cell. So it is a little grain, when we put on the ground, it is will be grown as well as will be grown, each one along in its little cell. It will be grown like a little cell. Next, moment by moment and day by day, never stop to rest to play. So what are you telling? A plant. It is a no restless plant when she grows. When she grows, అంటే ఒక చెట్టు పెరగడానికి దానికి ఆడుకోవడానికి టైం ఉంటుందా? No. It is a taking rest, it will be there? No. So it is only a human beings, there will be a rest. So plant don't have rest. It will grow and it will do whatever her works is there. It is a restless. Rock up rock, then it is rearing high till the top, look out the sunny sky. So it is will be grow up by the will be grow up అంటే అది పెరుగుతూనే ఉంటుంది. అంత ఎత్తుగా పెరుగుతుందంటే it will be no stopping of till it top looks, it will be out on the sunny sky. ఇట్లా చెట్లు ఎంత ఎత్తుగా పెరుగుతాయి మీకు కూడా తెలుసు. అది కొన్ని చెట్లు ఎంత పొడుగా పెరుగుతాయి అంటే ఆకాశం అంత పెరుగుతాయి అంటాం మనం. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ద paragraph last. The gently wide and balmy air little by little brings when dew there till the summer sunbeams grayly smile on the birds of flower chloral sly. Little by little said the truly thoughtful boy, moment by moment I shall will employ learning a little every day and not spending all my time in play, and still this rule is mine, shall revel. Whatever I do, I will do it. So what you are telling, a gently wind, it is blow air, little by little it is a endure there. So next, till the summer sunbeams, it is a gale smile, it will be a gale smile. Next, on the birds and flowers coral, it's like little by little is a thoughtful boy, it here it moment by moment, I shall well employ. Next, learning a little every day. What he is telling here? Learning a little every day and not spending all my time in the play. Here he is telling a little boy. What he is telling here? In the moment I will be well employed and not spending all my time in the playing, and still it a rule in the mind shall be dual. Whatever I do, I will do it. So whatever they are doing, they will be do it there. So little by little I will learn to know the treasured wisdom of a long ago. Little by little, again he is telling here, little by whatever I will be learn to know, that is treasured wisdom to for a long ago. And one of these days perhaps we will see. So one of these days he is telling perhaps we will see that the world will be the better for me. It is the world will be better for them. And do you think the simple plan made him a wise and useful man? Here he is telling what it is in the last paragraph, that is the world will be better for me. It is a better for him. And do you know, do you not think that is a simple plan? It is a simple plan. This whole lesson we have learned, it is a how that is, it is a simple made a wise. It is a made him a wise and useful man. It is a wise, you know what is meant by wise. It is a very wise man and is useful man. So here once again I will repeat the poem for you children. It is a little by it is a grown, how the plant is growing here, how it is growing a small grain, how it is growing. So how it is growing up, being a seed under the ground. ఒక చిన్న విత్తనం ఉంటుంది, ఆ విత్తనము భూమిలో పెడితే ఎలా పెరుగుతుంది, ఎలా పెద్దగా అవుతుంది, దాని యొక్క లక్షణాలు ఏంటివి అనేది ఒక లెసన్. లిటిల్ బేబీ ప్లాంట్ ఈస్ టెల్లింగ్ ద about her. So here we have been completed this lesson children. Once again I will repeat for you a little by little poem. Little by little and a crown said as it slowly sank into the mossy bed, I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Little by little each day it grows, little by little it sipped the dew, downwards it sent out the thread like root, up in the air sprung like tiny shoot. Day after day and year after year, little by little the leaves appears and the slant branches spread far and wide till the mighty oak, it is a forest pride. Far down in the depth of the dark blue sea, and the insect rain works ceaselessly. Grain by grain they are building well. Each one alone it is little cell. Moment by moment and day by day, never stopping to rest or to play. Rocks up rocks. They are rearing high till the top looks out on the sunny sky. The gentle wind and the balmy air, little by little, brings vendure there, till the summer sunbeams gaily smile on the birds and the flowers for the corals in sleep. Little by little, said the thoughtful boy, moment by moment I shall well employ, learning a little every day, and not spending all my time in the play. And still this rule is mine. Mine shall do well. Whatever I do, I will do it well. Little by little, I will learn to know the tissued wisdom of a long ago. And once of these days, perhaps we shall see that the world will be the better for me. And do you not think that this is a simple plan made him a wise and useful man? So this is the poem, a small poem by the plant, how it is saying about himself. So now we will go to the summative and formative assessment. So the first bit is bit number 1. So what is the bed of a crown? It is a mossy. It is a mossy. First one it is mossy, covered with mossy. It is the covered with mosses. The first answer. The second one is the small acorn grow up to the oak tree. And a oak tree. And a oak tree. It is grown in here in the paragraph. It is there. How it grown? It might have a oak tree. Next, the third bit. Who has a guess by the sunbeams? The fourth one is when a clone went inside the earth, dash went down, dash came up, shoot and root. It is our upper, it comes root. Next it's shoot. What does the boy want to do every day? Learn something. He want to do something. He want to learn something here. So the boy want to do something here. So what does the boy want to do every day? He want to learn something. These are the 5 bits. First one is in the mossy. The second one is York. The sunbeams has biggest smile, root and shoot, learn something. So the sixth one is which rule does his mind do well? So which rule does his mind do well on? His mind do well on the whatever I do, I will do, it will. His mind dwells on the rule that it is whatever I do, I will do, it will. It will. So this is the 6th answer that has been completed. His mind, what he given passion. It is a which rule does his mind dwells on. So here what his mind is dwells. It is a whatever I do, I will do it well. So here we have been completed the 6. That is 6 bits. So now we will go and speak with easy. Is telling to do speak with easy. So take interview of your classmates and fill in the table given below. Remember to ask questions in the complete sentences. So he is asking to take an interview of your classmates. So here find something who is someone who. So here he is asking to do you like, dislike, love and hate. So he is asking to write his names, whatever they like in this or whatever they dislike or love and hate. Whatever they will love and whatever they will hate. So washing dishes, here write their names. He is telling it is a like or dislike, hate or love. So cooking meals, cleaning the houses, listening the music, playing the piano, swimming, playing the guitar, very loud noises. These are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 given here. So you have to make on your own this one, okay. So this is a page number 51. So you can do it in the textbook. It is a very easy. Write your friends' names and whatever their opinion is there. So you write on here their names and write dislike or love, hate. So this is a completion of our lesson. So children, it is a small lesson, that is a little by little lesson number 10. So here I given for you homework in the last lesson, that is lesson number 9. So here picture comprehension also here there I didn't explain you, only singular plural I explained, that is ES, FES. So in that I have been explained you so many things. Change the sentences singular plural, you have to change here. So here he given a picture comprehension. So here in the picture whatever we are saying here, 8 sentences he is asking to write above what. Write 6 or 8 sentences. You can even write a story about the picture here. Page number 47 he given. So children, first this one also you do it, 47 and also 51. So it is in the textbook only you do it, the homework, okay. So it is a picture he given. So here a small baby and a small baby as well as a mom is there. So here we learn about this lesson. What he has helped and Roshan has helped us, Mara, how we helped in the kitchen. So like that only a picture, a mother and a baby here. Mother is doing some chapatis. So you just see of the picture and write about on the own, okay. Write on your own this one. So it is a very easy. So how you will help your mother in the kitchen of making the sandwiches, he has helped. So here what she is making, please once you just see deeply in this picture, see deeply and make a story and write off whatever you will be known. So thank you children. Here we have been completed. It is a small lesson. Don't be nervous. We are completing in a short period. So there is a little bit of poems are there. So that is long also it's there. So that I am completing in 2 days. But it's very short poem. So once again you also go through the poem, and whoever you are not having the books, please take the books. So it is a request for you to take the books, because if we have books, it is very easy to read for you. Thank you children. Thank you very much. So,